Want to sync your reMarkable tablet with Google Drive so you can access your notes anywhere? Here's the full 2025 step-by-step tutorial. Start by opening the reMarkable app on your computer or mobile device. Log into your account if you have not already. Next, go to Settings. Then tap on Integrations. Here, you'll see several options. Choose Google Drive. Select Connect and a Google login window will pop up. Sign in with the Google account you want to link. Then, tap Allow to give reMarkable access to your Drive files. Once connected, you'll see Google Drive listed under Integrations. Now, when you export or import documents, you can select Google Drive as your source or destination. And that's it. Your reMarkable is now synced with Google Drive, making file transfers and backups easier than ever in 2025.